G'day. Dell has been very impressive in 2026 this year for me. Now, before I actually give you a first impression of the new Dell Pro range or the actual commercial product, first I'd like to say I've been very impressed that they actually did take on a lot of the customer feedback from last year and actually incorporate. And not only what really amazed me was the fact that not only they give a new naming scheme, which actually kind of more like an enhancement to actually match the new and the old to help not only the old customers and also new customers to match what product and which product segment that should be in, or even just the type of task they should be in for that particular model. But they actually completely overhaul, and this is the first time I've actually seen a manufacturer do that, a complete overhaul of their whole new commercial range. New chassis all around, and that is something I absolutely love because they took on a lot of customer feedback and improved it all. Now, here's the first impression of the new Pro and the Dell Pro Precision range. We've got actually the Dell Pro range here. Now, we've got the Dell Pro 5, we've got the Dell Pro 7 and the Dell Pro 14 Premium, and of course the XPS. Now, with the Dell Pro 5, now this is to, I would say, the superseded of the Dell Pro Plus. Now, this is the 14-inch range here we've got right here. Now, with the material-wise, there has been change, and I love the changes here. And I'll get Ashley to explain some of the material changes, or basically the options that you can come with.
Absolutely, yeah. So as standard, the Dell Pro 5 comes with a glass fiber composite body with an aluminium lid on what we call the A cover, which is the rear of the LCD. The one that we have here today, this is the three-piece aluminium option. So both the chassis and the rear lid are all aluminium. So that's the Dell Pro 5. Dell Pro 7 comes in three-piece aluminium as standard.
Yep, which is
the same
color features of the Dell Pro 5. Yep.
Yeah. And then the Dell Pro 14, this is the same really lightweight mag alloy chassis.
Yep.
With the magnetite finish that we introduced last year, and that we're continuing through with the refresh with Panther Lake.
Definitely. Now, also to note is the Dell Pro 5 chassis is the similar, same as the Dell Pro Precision 5 14S. Now that is a new model that's coming out in 2026, which is absolutely fantastic. Now the guts will be different because we've got improved thermals on there, and that is going to be amazing to actually see. But definitely we love the new, basically the new materials that comes with. It really feels nice, and especially the color really brings out. I think it gives us the good old Dell look back in the days with that nice beautiful finish of that sort of dark metal gun gray. So it really brings that back again. I really love it, but giving a much more premium feel to it than previously. So definitely love the new 2026 range of the Dell Pro range here. The one thing about the Dell XPS, now I've had a quick look at this, is if you haven't noticed, like one of the things, it does look like a unified, but they've actually added some grooves right here. So on the left side and also on the right side, just to help you out. And you can just feel it, so you know where actually the trackpad is. That was one of the gripes I had with the XPS, but it's great to hear that they've actually listened to that, and you still get that nice sort of like beautiful, elegant look of a no touchpad, but it is there. And here is the Dell Pro Precision range. Now we actually have the Dell Precision 5, and this is a 16-inch in front of me here. Now, there is a Dell Precision 5 14S and 16S. So these are the normal ones. These are what we call big beefy ones, but they're also very nice. Now the 5 is your standard ones. As you can see, we actually see quite a bit of thickness more with the 5 range compared to the 7 range. So consider like the 7 range like nearly like a slim, but it's not a slim because there is the 7S 14 and stuff like that. So these are really nice. Now, the big difference you can see also, besides the actual keyboard, you get your normal standard keyboard here, whereas the Dell Pro Precision 7 does have a zero latch keyboard here. It is, you can feel a bit of a weight difference here between the 5 and the 7. The 7 is actually heavier than the 5, surprisingly, but that's because the 7 has a lot more beefier things inside, even though it is actually thinner. I think they are thinner here. They also get better, nice displacement, but you get that nice iodines, aluminium here on both of them. Really, really super. Now, as for the thermals, if you look at the back of the thermals, you actually still see that the thermals are just hidden under the actual hinge itself. So it's absolutely beautiful that they actually come out. And I really love the idea of them bringing back the precision name itself. So absolutely fantastic. And of course, we've got the Dell Pro Max GB10. Now there is, as what I was saying, there was the GP 300, I think it is, 300. And that will become fantastic. Now, of course, now we also have the Dell Pro Precision 7C1 desktop, so basically a workstation in a nice sort of form factor. Now there is a bigger one that's coming through, which is Dell Precision 9. That will be much beefier. So definitely a nice range from Dell from all these